Get ready for first posture. Keep your feet hip width apart. Inhale. Exhale, bend forward from your waist. Hold the big toes. Try taking forehead close to knees. Stay there. Padangusthasana. Pada is your foot and Angusta is your big toe. Forehead should touch the knees. 20 seconds. After 20 counts, you can come up. Give a nice stretch. Keep pulling your hands. After 20 seconds, you are coming up and doing Pada Hastasana. Okay. Again, same thing. Keep your feet hip width apart and then bend forward. Put your whole palms down below the foot and forehead getting close to me. Stay there. 20 seconds. Forehead should touch the knees and don't bend your knees. Deepa, try taking forehead close to knees. Nandini, good. It's coming good. And relax. Next is lateral stretch. Trikonasana, triangle posture. Spread your legs 3 feet wider. Both arms in line with the shoulder, exactly parallel to the floor. Twist your right foot 90 degrees. Inhale. Exhale and bend right side. Bend laterally. Grab your ankles. If you're not flexible, you can hold the ankles or shin. Or if you're flexible, put your palms down and gaze your left thumb. See your left thumb. Keep breathing there. 20 seconds. 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 15, 16, 18, and 20. Now bring your arms parallel to the floor. Do not alter your legs. Now correct your right foot and twist your left foot and bend left side. Stay there. Keep breathing normally. If you are flexible, put your palms on the down or hold your ankles on the shin. Gaze your right thumb now. See your right thumb. 1, 2, 5. While your palms should be visible this side. 6. Right palm. 7, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. Again, bring your arms parallel to the floor. Correct your left foot and come back to Samasthiti. Parsva Uttanasana. Spread your arms parallel to the floor in line with the shoulders. Join your palms behind the shoulder blade. Do Namaste. Feel the stretch in your shoulders first. Your arms are stretched. Spread your legs 3 feet wider. Twist your right foot 90 degrees. Left foot 60 degrees. Then your upper body in the direction of your right foot. Look up, inhale. Exhale, bend forward from your waist. Do not round your spine. Forehead touching to knees. Stay there. 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 20. Now raise your trunk and change your direction. Do same thing on the other side, left side. Keep breathing normally, deep inhalation and exhalation. Look up, inhale, exhale and bend forward. Forehead should touch the knees. Keep your legs straight. Breathing has to be deeper. Don't make it shallow. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. Now slowly raise your trunks, come in same order and come back to Samasthiti. Relax there. And now spread your legs 3 feet wider. So both arms parallel to the floor. Now you're putting your palms exactly in line with your feet, maintaining a distance of shoulder width apart. Okay, don't place it forward. Place it exactly in line with your feet. Inhale, exhale, keep your spine straight and try taking crown of your head down for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come up slowly. Raise your trunk. Again, both arms parallel to the floor. Put your palms on the waist. Look up, inhale. Exhale and bend forward. Yeah. Stay there. 1, 2, 3. Pile 3 feet wider. Your legs 3 feet wider. 4, 6, 8, 10. Slowly come up. Now interlock your hands behind the waist. Look up, inhale. Keep your legs in same distance. Do not alter your leg position. Bend forward. Stay there. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Come up slowly. Now you're holding the big toes. Don't alter your legs. Hold the big toes and pull. Bend forward with exhalation. Stay there. Yeah, same position. Hold the big toes. 4, 6, 8, and 10. And slowly come up and come back to Samasthiti. Relax. That's good. Very nice. You're done with the standing postures. Now, Anjaneyasana. Send your right leg as back as possible. Put your right knee on the floor. Toes pointing back. Raise your arms. Join your palms. Gaze your thumbs. Stay there. 20 seconds. 1, 3, 5, 7, 10, 12, 14, 15, 17, 18, and 20. Go back in Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog, body in inverted V shape. Stay there and keep breathing normally. 10 seconds there. Feel the stretch in your shoulders. 6, 7, 8, and 10. Bring your left foot forward. Put your right knee on the floor, toes pointing back. Raise your arms, join your palms, gaze your thumb. Stay there. 20 seconds. 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, and 20. Go back in downward dog and settle in Virasana. Stay there, relax 10 seconds in Virasana. Sit on your ankles and keep your spine straight. So this is the only posture which could be done immediately after the meals, and it's good for digestion. Okay. So the next posture is more intense compared to this. Okay. People with knee issues, just see if you can do it, you do it. Don't stop. But if it's very difficult, you can avoid. Okay. So what you are doing is Vajrasana. You're going to bring the knees together and you're going to spread the ankles wider. So what you should do is you should bring the sitting bones on the floor and do not twist your foot. The anterior side of the skin surface should be in contact with the mat. Keep your spine straight. Interlock your fingers. Raise your arms and look forward. Stay there. 20 seconds or whatever is possible. 3, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 19, and 20. Those who are comfortably sitting in this position, what you do is just lie down. Supta Vajrasana. Take your arms back. Supta Vajrasana. If that is difficult, you can avoid this posture. Those who can do it, please do it. This aids in weight loss. So stay there as long as possible and then come back. After this, we are doing camel posture, Ustrasana. Yeah, get ready for Ustrasana. Kneel down. Those who have difficulty reaching their hands to the heels, what you can do is curl your toes and then you can reach your palms behind. Otherwise, you can send the toes back, point the toes back, then push the pelvic forward, create arch and hold the ankles. Yeah, Ustrasana. Look back, stay there, push your pelvic forward. So I'm not giving count, stay there as long as possible and just come back. 30 seconds max. Or you can just come back 10 seconds after 10 seconds if it's very difficult. Feel this stretch. Ankita, point your toes back. I think you should be able to do this comfortably. I told this only for who have difficulty doing that. Try. Point your toes back and try. Toes is a piche. Ah, yes. Try now. Ah. Look back, stay there. And next we are doing Paschimottanasana. Extend both the legs forward. If your spine straight, don't round the spine. Always make sure your spine is straight. Bend forward, conquer your spine, hold the big toes. Stay there. Inhale, widen your forearms, widen your elbows, and then try taking forehead close to knees. Pull. Give a nice stretch, 20 seconds. Do not round the spine, keep the spine straight, concave your spine. Forehead should reach the knees. 20 seconds. 10 more seconds. 5, 7, and 10. Slowly come up and relax. And now we are doing Janu Shirasana. Extend both the legs forward, outstretch both the legs forward. Put your right foot on left thigh, left inner thigh. Keep your left leg straight and hold the left foot with both the hands and try taking forehead close to knees. 20 seconds. Stay there. Feel the stretch. 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 18, and 20. Now change your legs. Outstretch your right leg, fold your left leg, left foot on right inner thigh and bend forward. Three, 4, 6, 10, 15, 18, and 20. That's good. Relax. Fantastic. Now we'll try doing Upavista Konasana. Spread your legs wider. Widen your legs. And if possible, try holding the outer sole of your foot and forehead should touch the knees. Forehead should touch the floor. Yeah, Deepa, getting it now. Very good. Keep breathing. Your breathing shouldn't be shallow. Breathing should always be deeper. Yeah, Shweta, try.
Finally, sir, I was just here.
Yeah, good. It's coming now. Next, we're doing Anantasana, Lord Vishnu pose. Yeah, Payal, Lord Vishnu pose. Lie down sideways. Hold the big toes and stretch. Leg should be straight. Stay there, 20 seconds, both sides. Give a nice stretch. Feel the stretch. Your hamstring should get stretched. Yeah, both sides, 20 seconds, both sides. Ankita, try to straighten the legs. Next is Supta Padangusthasana. Okay.